Hey, Ryan here from QuietKat. I'm going to show you how to install the QuietKat rack and bag system. So the first thing we'll do is connect the rack to the seat stay of the bike. This can go on a full suspension or hardtail versions. To install the QuietKat rack, you'll just need a 5mm Allen wrench. So to begin, we'll go ahead and remove the packaging, recyclable cardboard, then locate the bolts on the top of the strap clamps. We'll go ahead and loosen that up. That'll release the strap and the little piece of cardboard packaging there. Go ahead and do that from all 4 legs. So next what we'll do is go ahead and line up the rack of where it should go. We're going to make sure that the angle is facing backwards. And go ahead and line the rack up. Typically want to put the base of the foot right at that little braze on the back of the frame. You might have to twist the legs a little bit to get everything to line up just straight. Once you have it roughly lined up, we're going to go ahead and place the straps on the hooks around the frame. Once you get the strap around one side, you just want to tighten it a little bit so that everything stays in place and our straps don't fall off as we install the other side. On the brake side, you'll notice the routing of the brake line. You want to make sure that the strap does not squeeze or interfere with the routing of the brake line. Once you've got all 4 in place, we're going to go ahead and line everything up and then tighten it down. Once we know the rack is centered over the wheel, we can go ahead and tighten down these 4 bolts on the legs to make sure that the rack is securely fastened to the whole clamp. So the QuietKat bag uses Aero's patented keyhole design. So what you'll do is you'll line the tabs on the rack up with the tabs on the bag and then twist 15 degrees to lock the bag in place. So by pulling on the tab, you can go ahead and rotate the bag to a different riding position or line the tabs up to remove the bag altogether.